Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best multi-tools of 2025. And let me tell you, this year's lineup is stronger, smarter, and more versatile than ever before. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, outdoor explorer, or just someone who loves being prepared for anything, these multi-tools are the perfect additions to your everyday carry. Let's dive in. Starting off strong, we have the Wetols 21-in-1 Multi-Tool Pliers, a compact powerhouse packed with practical tools. This multi-tool features everything from spring-loaded needle nose pliers and a sharp blade to screwdrivers, a hexagon sleeve, saw, ruler, and even 4 double-sided bits. Built with hardened stainless steel and a sand-blasted ergonomic handle, it's not only tough but also comfortable to use. Whether you're tackling DIY projects, going fishing, or setting up camp, this tool has your back. The self-locking design and butterfly-style opening ensure safe and smooth operation every time. It's an all-rounder that punches well above its weight, and it's a fantastic gift idea for anyone who loves working with their hands. Next up is the Gerber Gear Suspension-NXT, a 15-in-1 multi-tool that strikes the perfect balance between durability and everyday portability. Made from stainless steel and designed with a convenient butterfly opening, this tool features everything from needle nose pliers and wire strippers to flathead and cross drivers, scissors, a can opener, and a 2.25-inch partially serrated blade. It also includes a locking mechanism for safety and a pocket clip for easy EDC. Lightweight yet rugged, this multi-tool is perfect for tradesmen, hikers, and anyone who needs reliable functionality in their pocket. Gerber backs it with a limited lifetime warranty, which makes it a trustworthy pick for any adventure. Moving on to a fan favorite, the Leatherman Wave Plus, an upgraded version of their most popular multi-tool, and it absolutely delivers. Engineered in Portland, Oregon, and backed by a 25-year warranty, the Wave Plus includes 18 precision tools such as a saw, ruler, spring-action scissors, and premium replaceable wire cutters. With one-hand operable tools and a compact, portable build, it's ideal for everything from quick home repairs to wilderness survival. This multi-tool is truly built for the long haul and offers the kind of quality and reliability that serious users demand. It's no surprise this continues to be Leatherman's bestseller. It's the ultimate do-it-all tool. For those of you leaning more towards survival and preparedness, the Mossy Oak 19-in-1 Multi-Tool Pliers is a must-have. What makes this tool stand out isn't just the range of tools, but the type of tools. A fire starter, emergency whistle, window breaker, hammer, and even a ruler, in addition to pliers, screwdrivers, and a saw. This multi-tool is designed with crisis situations in mind, yet it's equally handy for camping, hiking, and daily tasks. It includes a durable black EDC pouch and a belt clip for easy portability. Crafted from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, it's built to endure the elements and keep performing no matter where you are. Next up, we have the Giriaitus Multitool knife, a 17-in-1 marvel tailored for campers, survivalists, and everyday users alike. This tool features essentials like a knife, saw, rope cutter, screwdrivers, and bottle opener, along with standout additions like a fire starter, window breaker, whistle, and even an ejection pin. Built from 420 stainless steel and coated with black oxide, it's rust-resistant and tough enough to handle challenging environments. The sleek, non-slip cushioned handle ensures comfort and grip, while the one-hand operation design makes it as practical as it is stylish. This multi-tool checks all the boxes for outdoor preparedness and survival on the go. Next, we have the Pohaku Multitool knife, which stands out with a larger-than-usual blade that's over 3 inches. Perfect for heavy-duty cutting tasks. It's crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a black oxide finish for rust resistance, making it a reliable option for all-weather use. This multi-tool includes 13 functions like pliers, multiple screwdrivers, can opener, rope cutter, and a dual file. Each component can be accessed independently, with the large blade deployable with one hand. Lightweight, ergonomically designed, and paired with a durable nylon pouch, it's ideal for everyday carry, outdoor maintenance, and survival scenarios. Whether you're looking for utility or a gift for the outdoorsman in your life, this one hits the mark. For those who love a minimalist yet powerful tool, the Rocktol 19-in-1 Multitool Pliers is a beast in a compact form. Built with a titanium-plated handle for enhanced corrosion resistance, this multi-tool includes a high-carbon 7CR17 steel knife that offers sharpness and long-lasting edge retention. Other tools include a rope knife, wood and metal files, various pliers, spring-action scissors, wire strippers, and multiple screwdriver heads. The slim and lightweight body is packed with safety locking for secure use, making it a great companion for hikers, contractors, and weekend warriors. It also comes with a nylon sheath and is neatly boxed, making it gift-ready out of the gate. Last but definitely not least, the WORKPRO 11-in-1 Multitool Pliers is a straightforward, no-nonsense multi-tool perfect for everyday users. This compact tool includes pliers, wire cutter, saw, knife, multiple screwdrivers, bottle and can openers, and even a carabiner. Note, not for climbing. What really sets it apart is the strong safety locking mechanism that keeps blades and tools secure during use. In 2025, multi-tools continue to prove they're not just handy, they're essential. Whether you're camping, working on DIY projects, or tackling unexpected tasks on the go, these compact tools pack serious functionality into your pocket. From the rugged reliability of the Leatherman Wave, plus to the versatile gadgetry of the Mossy Oak, or the sleek efficiency of the Pohaku and Rocktol models, there's a multi-tool here for every kind of user. No matter your budget or adventure level, these top picks offer performance, portability, and peace of mind.